At number 1, we have the Best Choice Products Outdoor Metal Raised Garden Bed. It's a strong choice for gardeners who want durable metal construction and considerably more planting space. Its corrugated steel construction and support rods provide a sturdy structure, available in different sizes and depths for all your plants. The open base design promotes drainage, allowing plant roots to access the soil underneath, which is great for vegetables and herbs. This is the option I'd consider when durability, planting capacity, and value are more important than a compact design. However, assembly can take longer than plastic planters, and once filled, large beds are difficult to relocate. Overall, it's a strong value for gardeners who need a larger, durable growing area.
At number 2, we have the Outland Living Vertical Raised Garden Bed. It's a smart solution for gardeners who want to grow vegetables, herbs, and flowers while making the most of limited space. Instead of spreading horizontally, this planter uses vertical space with 5 individual planting containers on a sturdy frame. The design is perfect for balconies, patios, decks, and small yards where traditional beds take up too much room. The planters are removable, which makes planting, harvesting, cleaning, and rearranging easier. It also has tool-free assembly. The vertical layout lets you make better use of sunlight and keep plants separated, giving a more structured look than scattered pots. If space is your biggest limitation, this Outland Living Planter is one of the most practical choices. It's excellent for small spaces with 5 separate containers for easy maintenance. However, it has no wheels, less soil capacity, and requires careful watering. Overall, it's a top-tier choice for maximizing your growing potential in any small area.
At number 3, we have the Keter Raised Garden Bed. It's an excellent choice for gardeners with limited space, like those with a balcony, patio, or small deck. Its compact, elevated design provides a convenient planting area without needing a traditional garden. It's made from durable resin with a wood-like finish, offering an attractive look without wood's maintenance issues. The lower storage shelf is a convenient place to keep gardening tools, fertilizer, or gloves. One of its biggest advantages is the smart self-watering system. A built-in reservoir helps maintain moisture around the plants. The water level gauge lets you see when it needs attention, while the drainage system helps reduce the risk of overwatering. The pros are clear. It's perfect for small spaces, comfortable to use, and has a low-maintenance, durable design. The cons? It has a smaller capacity than large backyard beds, and the resin material might not appeal to everyone. For a low-maintenance, attractive, and convenient raised planter, the Keter is a strong option.
At number 4, we have the Landguard Galvanized Raised Garden Bed Kit. This is a top-selling Amazon choice with over 12,000 reviews averaging 4.5 stars. It's a durable, oval-shaped bed, perfect for your backyard or patio. Available in multiple sizes and colors, it offers solid value and a tool-free assembly that takes just minutes. The key open-bottom design allows for better drainage, root growth into the ground, and improved access to nutrients for healthier plants. Made from durable galvanized steel, it resists rust well. However, while the value is excellent, the budget sizes are thinner, so handle the edges with care during assembly. A great, affordable option for most gardeners looking for an easy and sturdy raised bed solution.
At number 5, we have the Utopia Home Galvanized Raised Garden Bed Kit. A consistent bestseller on Amazon, this kit is a top choice for its simplicity, affordable price, and ease of use, perfect for beginners or anyone with limited space. Assembly is a breeze, with minimal tools required. The kit comes with everything you need to set up your garden in just a few minutes. Its lightweight galvanized steel construction resists rust and corrosion, ensuring your garden bed will last for seasons to come. The smart open base design allows for excellent drainage and unrestricted root growth, letting your plants access nutrients from the ground for healthier growth. Available in rectangular or round styles, it's a portable and space-saving solution, perfect for patios, balconies, or small yards. It's a highly rated, budget-friendly way to grow your own vegetables, fruits, and flowers organically. However, keep in mind, it's a lighter gauge steel and has a basic aesthetic. Overall, the Utopia Home Raised Garden Bed is a fantastic, easy-to-use option for anyone looking to start their gardening journey.